Here is how you open up a Sriracha bottle with no tools and just your hands. If you don't have a Sriracha bottle, there's an Amazon link in the description. It won't cost you anything extra, or you could just purchase it on your own, online or at a store. First thing you need to do is open the top. You just open the top counterclockwise, and once you open it, there's going to be a seal. The seal is very hard to open, so my suggestion is to start on the edge. Start peeling on the edge until you get a little grasp of the seal from the edge. And it may take some time, but once you do get a grasp of it, peel it off. I suggest peeling it off from the edge, just so that there's no film that comes from it. Sometimes there's a film in there, but regardless, you can take off the film, no problem. After that, you don't have to do this, but you can lick it. Pause. You can lick it just to see what it tastes like. After that, put the top back on clockwise just to lock it in there. Shake it a little bit. After you shake it, you want to open the top, the opening top. So it's a little hard at first just because it is new, but eventually when you use it plenty of time, it'll just be easier to open for the sauce. And after that, you could squirt it just to make sure it works. And once it works, you're done and it's ready to go for you to use.